The cold weather demanded something warm, comforting, and soothing, and I made a delicious Aloo Palak Khichdi for my mom-in-law recently. She wanted me to share the recipe with you all. So today I'm going to share this delicious Aloo Palak Khichdi recipe. Come. Ghee, half teaspoon jeera. To this I'm adding garlic, ginger, red chillies and curry leaves. The garlic is fried well. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. Add turmeric powder. Now add the washed and chopped palak. I'm adding lots of greens. You can adjust according to your taste. To this, add your washed rice and moong. Water. Salt. Just add 1 more teaspoon of ghee on top. We're going to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles on low flame. It's yum. Try it.